Let me guess, you're here because you have a Meta Quest 3 and you want to try to make the battery life last longer. Well, as you can see, I have a Meta Quest 3 and in my right hand, I have a solution for you. So let's go ahead and figure out how the solution comes together to better power your Meta Quest 3. In the box are a couple of things that we have. It's also packaged super nicely. First is the high density memory foam pad. It's gonna offer soft comfort while cushioning the weight of the Quest 3 on top of your head. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is this charging cable. It's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and I think that's gonna help us deliver some power to this thing. We have this piece right here. It's a comfortable silicone padding with extra coverage, and this is an upgrade to the stock one that comes with the Meta Quest 3. This is the regular band, and the only thing cupping the back of your head is this thin piece of nylon, whatever this is. This covers the whole back of your head, so it's going to cup you, make it very comfortable. And I already have one of the Sonicgrace products that have one of these, and they are super comfortable. It has these inserts, and these inserts go into the next piece, which is this part right here. This is the main unit. This is your head strap. When you get it, you can see it folds, so it actually makes it very easy to travel with. You're just gonna go ahead and unfold it, and this is the full length. I actually kind of have it upside down. Is this way. Now pay attention. On the left, you'll see L, and on the right, you'll see an R. Now this piece goes on right here, but it also has an L and an R. You're just gonna wanna pay attention to that so you get the orientation correctly. Once you have the orientation correctly, all it's gonna do is snap into place. So you simply click it in there, and then you're going to click it in here, and then you have a secure fitment for it to go on the back of your head. This part right here is 0.7 pounds. It's not even a pound. And as you saw earlier, the arms fold 180 degrees, so it makes it nice for storage or travel. All of this is in the back, and this is gonna lead us into the next part, which is the external battery. And this thing, it's pretty big, which is great because that means you have a lot more play or watch time. No need for cables holding you down. What's great about having this on the back as well as all of this on the back is it makes for better weight distribution. The way you can adjust this, because you don't have to worry about the little friction tabs that the OEM one comes with that I hated because over time they would always loosen. Let me know in the comments if you've had that experience too. This has a gear knob, smooth and precise knob adjustment. So you simply go ahead and turn it, and the headset is going to tighten. Do you see it? It's getting closer and closer. There's so much adjustability. And if you want to loosen it, say your head's a little bit bigger than mine, you can go ahead and scroll it the other way, and boom, it's loosening. Check that out. Now that's pretty much everything that comes with this. This is the Sonicgrace S3 Duo. I'll have it in the description below, the like button. And while you go check that out, you can put me in the background where I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of this on my Quest 3. Wait, y'all, pause. All right, so I was like, why is the packaging this thick? And then I remembered, y'all, I got the Duo version. I have 2 of these power banks that go on the back, these guys. So I was like, okay, wait, where's the other one? And then I was like, yo, just lift the packaging, bruv. And then I found something even cooler. So not only can I struggle to get this out because it's packaged so well, but not only do I get another one of these, which may I need to tell you comes fully charged out of the box, so you can enjoy so much extra playtime. Boom, check this one out too. Both are fully charged. Boom. But not only that, yes, it came with this USB-C cable to charge it, and you can charge these individually. On the top of them, it has a USB-C port, so you can charge them individually. But this is even cooler. It comes with a flippin' dock, and this dock charges both of them. It is a wireless dock too. Do you know what that means? That means to charge this and to charge this, it sits flat. So you can have this sitting right here, and then let's say these are both down, out of battery. Go ahead and just click this into place. Oh, you heard it beep, and then click this one into place. Boom, right here, they can both start charging. When you're done, you wanna use them, no problem. Just go ahead, take it off. Grab your headset and strap it on. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together on my Quest 3. I wanna just be clear that Sonicgrace did send me this S3 Duo to check out and use with my Meta Quest 3. The only thing I typically do with the Meta Quest 3 is watch YouTube videos. And these extra batteries have been awesome with that. Like legit, I can go to the kitchen, I can cook a little bit, I can do stuff around my car, and still just have YouTube playing in the background or a movie. The extra battery packs are great because they offer 20-watt super fast charging. I do want to be clear though, and fully transparent, that it's up to 20 watts super super fast charging. Now, if you play games or if it gets a little hot, the battery in the actual headset might drain faster than these packs are able to charge it, because the output of these packs might not be sufficient enough for the demand, the power draw that some of these games have. But while you're still playing, these battery packs will still be supplying power. So at the end of the day, these will make your gaming experiences or movie watching experiences last a little bit longer. Let's talk about the charging, because that's what you're here for. So you have your MetaQuest 3. We're actually going to turn it around and we're going to take a look at it on this side. You see this cable that's running out the back right here? Yeah, so this cable plugs into the side, and this is where you typically charge your MetaQuest 3. Of course, it's just USB Type-C, so you can unplug it, plug it back in, however you'd like. Now the cable goes all the way to the back where it has the wireless mount. In the wireless mount, you guessed it, it's for one of these. This is the dock that it comes with. And I'm actually wrong. You don't just set it like this. It actually lays like this. It's got these rubber feet on the bottom so they don't slide around. So, okay, correctly this time it sits like this. These are both fully charged, but you can see I have a cable going to the docking station right here, and then I have my MetaQuest 3. And then let's say I want to use one of them. It doesn't matter. All I gotta do is just grab it, pull it off here, or let's say I'm done with it. I want to put it back on the charger, grab it, put it on there, and it starts charging. The S3 Pro features a streamlined design with simplified aesthetics. The battery pack includes breathing light effects and charging indicators, so you know if the battery pack is charging your device, if it's done charging your device, or if the battery pack itself needs to be charged. So I just got off of a game, and what's nice is that I noticed the battery is low, but I can grab one of these and simply pop it on here, go back into my game. However, if this one starts to die, I can just grab the other one off the charging dock after placing that one down and then snap it back on, continue with my game. The magnetic charging dock is designed to neatly store battery packs and simultaneously charge two battery packs. So if we go ahead and look on this side, this one is charging and this one is charging. Its magnetic design eliminates the need for charging cables, keeping your desktops tidy and organized. It just has this one coming out. With a simple, sleek, and elegant appearance, this can really go anywhere and not look out of place. The dock supports a maximum charging power of 30 watts. If it's only charging one, it'll charge at 16 watts. If it charges both, it splits the power and charges it at 15 watts. Now, each of these pieces come with a maximum capacity of 8,000 milliamp hours. This significantly is going to reduce the charging times because of the battery size per each of these. I don't know how much is in the original Quest 3 Pro, but I found that out on, and I'll put it on the screen right here. So this is the original battery capacity of what's in the headset, and then each of these is 8,000 milliamp hours, so you're just adding on to that. And that's pretty much it for the Sonicgrace S3 Duo. I personally think it's a great addition to your MetaQuest 3 or 3S because it is compatible with both. If you think so, I'll have a link in the description below the like button so you can at least check this out for your Quest 3 or again 3S. It works for either. So go ahead, pick it up. Let me know what you think of this because it's made my VR horror sessions a whole lot longer. So I get scared a lot more, which is fun, great for me, and I'm super appreciative of them. Thanks Sonicgrace for making these. I'm sure you like them because I definitely do.